St. Xavier's, Salt Lake School, Auxilium Dum Dum, QMS Salt Lake. Okay. Once your performance is done, you remain in the performance area till all performances are done. Unless you have an event coinciding with this performance, you stay. That's a primary rule of street play on Nukkad Natak. You cheer for each and every performance. It doesn't matter whether they are your sister school or your rivals, you cheer for everyone. And especially the host school cheers for each and every participant. Do not otherwise create a ruckus or nuisance. This is a Nukkad Natak, a street play, where performances should ideally be around all the four sides. There is no front.
Get ready to be moved, inspired and entertained by the raw and dynamic art of street theatre. The judges for this play is Dr. Minoti has been an educator and a specialist teacher for more than 45 years. Formerly a mainstream classroom teacher and a leadership trainer for 25 years in schools from Bombay, Delhi and Queen of the Mission School, Calcutta. And for 15 years a sponsored senior high school teacher of English and a special educator and a nominated tutor for indigenous students with behavioral issues in Western Australia. Mr. Shuprabhu Tagore,
Give it up for Mr. Shuprabhu.
professional theatre practitioner and art entrepreneur. Apart from acting, he is a director and producer who experiments with different scenes of like musical and street plays and has been a part of 125 different theatrical productions. He is the founder of the first and the only theatre of our country, Shriek of Silence. Thank you. The first school to come up is St. James School.
Wake up! You're always late. How will you manage your tuition and studies? Hey bro, don't forget about your science project today.
Thanks for the reminder. A home filled with love, yet burdened with expectations. Scene 2. At school. Sir, may I come in?
Very pleased that you have come. You know why have I called you here?
No, sir.
Your final project carries a lot of marks. Don't mess it up.
I'll do my best, sir.
Better do. Everyone expects a lot from you.
Hey, you seem stressed. Let's grab lunch later.
Maybe a lot on that plate. The weight of academic expectations often overshadows personal well-being. Scene 3. Evening conflict.
Are you alright, my dear? You've been studying way too hard.
I'm fine, Mom. Just give me some space.
Hey, watch your tone. Focus on your studies.
I can't handle it, Father. Don't worry, no. But it's just too much. Even the closest bonds can strain under the pressure of modern life. Scene 4. A dark moment. When the pressure becomes unbearable, it can lead to dark thoughts. I can't handle it anymore. I can't take it. There's no way out.
Wait, stop! What are you doing?
I'm sorry. I can't handle it anymore.
Don't worry. I am here for you.
In moments of despair, It's the unexpected acts of love that can save a life. Scene 5. The shock of near tragedy can shake the strongest foundations.
And that what happened.
I can't believe this. I just can't. He was our son.
We've all been so blind. I think we have been pushing Scott too hard. But things will be better. We can make it right. We need to understand each other and fulfill it. Let him also.
Understanding the depths of someone's struggle can be a harsh awakening, but it's also a call for change. Scene 6. Seeking help. Sir, may I come in? Sir, I have an appointment. I can't handle it, sir. Everyone expects so much from me. I don't know what to do.
Such mostly in English, but they can use it.
Finding support is the first step towards healing. Scene 7. A friend's support. Sometimes help comes from unexpected places.
He almost did something terrible. I don't know. I don't know how to help.
True friends become family when they stand by you in your darkest moments. Scene 7. The discovery. Sometimes understanding the past can heal the present.
I worry about our child. He's been through so much. We as parents look after him. I know how much my father pressurized me as a child. I just can't believe you're doing the same thing.
I know I've given up my dreams to support this family, but I think we've been pushing Scott too far.
Mom, Dad, I didn't knew you went for me so much.
We just want you to have the same opportunities people don't get.
We love you and we want the best for you, Scott.
Will always be our son.
Now we need to support each other and find a balance together. The past can cast long shadows, but understanding and compassion can light the way forward. Scene 9. Family understanding.
You need to understand, my dear. We are with you no matter what. We are one family. We are a unit. And we can do anything together.
We won't push you, Scott. Don't worry.
I needed to hear that. Thank you. Family is a pillar of strength, but communication is the key. Scene 10. A new beginning. Together, we can overcome anything. Family is not just blood, but the bonds we build and cherish. In the end, it's the bond we nurture that truly defines us. Family relations in the modern world, a tale of love, struggle, and resilience.
Modern families. Before starting this play, I would like to inform everyone here that there will be an empty place in our drama. That place is for our beloved Antash Gushko, a classmate, a best friend, a brother, and so much more to all of us. Till yesterday, he rehearsed with us at school. He came to my house for this street drama. Yes, yesterday he was in an accident and he left us. He left all of us, and that's why we're leaving this place empty for him. He was an amazing friend, a beautiful soul, and most importantly, the best boy. He has written all the plays and all the dramas that we have performed till date. And he thought of dropping out of this competition last year, but he wanted to perform over here. Here we are today, trying to make it. Thank you. This is for you, Angie.
And that's why you won't attend your tuitions? That's too silly. Mom, why can't you take me seriously? Don't my feelings matter to you? Feelings? These kids are so dramatic these days. Everything turns into a trauma for you. My mother doesn't care about my mental health at all. I hate this distance between us. Hashtag mental health, hashtag troubled family.
Seriously, parents these days. Hashtag relatable. Everything feels vain and hopeless these days. I feel really suffocated. I feel really suffocated. Everything feels superficial. They want me to be the perfect kid. But I am not that. Thank God. My online friends provide me some comfort.
Rubo, are you prepared for your molar chemistry test? Doesn't care about my mental health. Kids these days make a fuss about everything.
Dad, please do not jump to conclusions. Is he jumping to conclusions again like always?
Can't we have one calm moment without your kind interference?
Now I am interfering. Oh God, give me a break.
Then you will not interfere.
You always make me look like a villain. This is why I can't live with
You two keep fighting. I cannot stand you. I'm leaving.
No, Rashi, please wait. Dear God, why are you doing this to me? My family is always fighting. And my dearest Rashi, she just left without saying a word. Can't there be peace among the people of my house? She's too little for all this. No one even talks to each other anymore. Therefore, I have no one to find comfort in. This is so disheartening.
This is so disheartening. 4 years for graduation and then 2 years for masters, and I still can't stand on my feet. I feel like a burden on your shoulders, Ma.
There is nothing to worry about, son. You are not a burden to me. The cutthroat competition can sometimes be overbearing.
But still, Ma, look at Salman Hussain. He has become established at such a big firm at such a young age. Look at the boy at the end of the block. Even he is earning huge amounts. Next to them, I am a failure.
Beta, everyone has to start somewhere. You are not a failure. We are successful. But just remember, you can go at your own pace.
Ma, I just want to make you proud. I hope it's not too late.
I'm already proud of how you're trying to be a better person. Just remember, it's never too late.
It's never too late. Papa, I want to talk to you. What happened, Rubo?
I can't handle all this pressure on me. I want to open up to you. I just want to live my own dreams.
I just wanted the best for you. I didn't know it was hurting you. Sir, I am sorry. I was caught up in my own thoughts. From now on, I will try to understand your aspirations.
I was so upset today. I feel like I should have dealt with the situation better.
Let's talk to her and main things. We need to understand that her generation is different from ours.
Why is he picking up the phone?
Hello, have you seen my daughter in your locality?
Have you forgotten all the happy times together? The way you two fought to save your love. Back then, there were no advanced communication tools. were inseparable, dedicating efforts to safeguard your relationship. And now, communication is advanced, but your relationship has become shallow. There's still time to change for the better. Think about your family, think about your love, think about your child. Think wisely. Change is inevitable, but how we change
Is what really matters.
मेहरबान कदरदान, आओ आओ हमारा नाटक देखो, आओ आओ नाटक देखो, सुनो देखो जागो। Scene 1. कभी चलते चलते दीवार पर मेरा सर लगता है, कभी चलते चलते दीवार पर मेरा सर लगता है। मेरी लाल तू आजा, मुझे अकेले में डर लगता है। बेटा बेटा can you please check my phone? I think it's broken. No, it's completely fine. No, but I don't get any calls from my son. Listen, I don't have time for this. Go and disturb someone else. Are you okay? Everything all right? Can you please help me call my son? Sure, I'll help. Hello, Mom. How are you? Raj, my boy. I haven't spoken to you in several weeks. Is everything all right? Are you okay? What's going on? Are you slacking up again? Raj, I'm busy. I'll call you later, please. No, Raj, hey. Sir, I will try again. Sir, I had some personal issues. Personal issue, you say? You're useless. If you can't handle this pressure, you better be dismissed. Raj, long up again. It's okay, dear. Sometimes people are busy. We should enjoy our own lives while we still have it. But I have no one. That's not true. You have me and so many others. Let's support each other, share stories, and live our lives happily. That's true too. I can manage on my own as well. But I just hope my son is doing well. Hey Prabhu, Raksha kar. Hey Prabhu, कैसी है ये जिंदगानी? What's the ending for this कहानी? कैसे होगा family time मेरे यार? जब एक तरफ करियर और एक तरफ परिवार। किसको चुनूं और किसको नहीं? क्या है गलत और क्या है सही? How to navigate through life's unpredictable maze? Hey प्रभु, how do we live in this harsh modern age? क्या है गलत और क्या है सही? किसको चुनूं और किसको नहीं? कैसे होगा family time मेरे जानती हूँ, बदलते रिश्तों की जज्बात हम तुम्हें समझाते हैं।
Hello. Hi, Rahul. How are you?
I'm all right. I had to hear a lot from my cranky boss today. I am so sure he fought with his wife. You know what they say? Expect unexpected.
Ha, very funny.
Anjali, if there's nothing important to talk about, can I hang up?
No. Rahul, wait. You know now, next week. Hello? Rahul?
Could you repeat that, Anjali?
Rahul, next week.
Next week? What's next week?
Rahul, it's my birthday.
Right. About that. I don't think I can make it this year. I'm really sorry.
Rahul, please. There's only one thing that I wish for on my birthday, and that's you to be there. That's that.
Anjali, try to understand. This project is really important for me. If I lose this, then I might lose everything.
Rahul, please. Your work is a part of your life, not your entire life.
अंजलि, मैं अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में सोच रहा हूँ. We can celebrate a birthday next month as well.
You say that all the time. Future तो कल आएगा, Rahul. It's moments like this where we need to spend some time together.
You know what? I cannot do this right
Rahul,
now.
wait.
I have a deadline to meet. I'm hanging up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anjali. Happy birthday to you.
Actually, when's Rahul coming? You guys fight again? It's whatever. I do not care. Thank you guys for coming. I have to clean this place again and again.
Anjali, what are you doing?
Rahul? Can't you see what I'm doing? Aap hai a button. You know what, Rahul? I bet you forgot what day it is today. And I don't think it's working out.
Anjali, I did not forget. Happy birthday.
Rahul!
You made me realize that there are moments which we should spend together. And like I always say, expect the unexpected.
Expect the unexpected?
Well, that perfectly sums up our relationship.
If Rahul and Anjali can fix things up, so can you. It's never too late to start things anew.
Like Shakespeare said, love is not love which alters when an alteration finds. So why do we see heartbroken souls and shattered minds?
What is love if it only lasts for seconds? Make the right choice before it's too late to mend. Make the right choice before it's too late to repent. As finding true love is very rare.
1, 2. Wow.
कुछ तो बता